So everybody on our team wants our customers to be successful. If they're successful, we're going to be successful. So we had a government customer. They already had their software, but they needed some equipment. They were looking for a solution. By discussing with the customer what their needs were, what they were doing now, what they were replacing, what they needed to do in the future, we were able to make a recommendation.
L-Tron engineers are different from most support lines because they will follow the problem through to its solution.
On top of that, I think just the support we provide on the back end is pretty intentional in terms of you call, we pick up the phone. You know, if we don't know the answer, we try to get in touch with the right person.
They're persistent enough, they're connected enough to know who to connect with to get answers. And that's really the strength, is being able to see, to act as a fresh set of eyes and see the whole project and how we've arrived where we are, and then brainstorm potential new solutions for it.
Because of our experience and industry relationships, we can recommend a solution that best fits our customers' needs. Many times, recommend multiple solutions.
So I think that's been part of it, is that when somebody says, can we do this? The answer is yes. We'll figure some way to do it.